Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. In the beginning, prepare clean piece of fabric or dirty, it doesn't matter to be honest. And now make sure that your car is parked at the flat surface, then let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Now take a look at the engine compartment. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it and now clean it. Place it back. Remove it. And here you can measure engine oil level. It should reach top of those markings. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.